guys, happy Vlogmas Day number 2, otherwise known as December 1st. I cannot believe it is December 1st. So it is almost 9 o'clock. I have not gotten my morning cup of tea or coffee. I think I'm gonna go with tea today, so I'll show you guys that. And then I have to edit yesterday's vlog and get that up. So that's what I'm gonna do for the first part of the day, and then we will move on into other things that I'm gonna do today, and I'll talk about them. But right now I need tea because I'm struggling. Normally I will open up my tea cabinet. You guys see this in like every vlog. Sorry if it gets old, but I like it. So now I need to decide what mug I want to use, and I feel like I want a Christmassy mug, but I don't see my Christmassy mugs. So where are they hiding? Well, that is lame. Okay, anyway, I guess I'll just use this Girl Boss one. I really like this one when I'm having like a get my life together kind of day, and I feel like that is the kind of day that I'm gonna have today. So we are going to use this one because it's large and in charge. Since it is December 1st, it is acceptable to bring out the gingerbread syrup. I love adding this to my tea. There used to be this thing at Starbucks called a gingerbread tea latte or something like that, and they haven't brought back gingerbread for the past 2 years, which I'm really upset about. Starbucks, not that you're watching this, but if you ever do, please bring back the gingerbread syrup because I just can't make it the same as you guys. Anyway, so I will add that in here. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk to make it a latte, and then we are going to add, well, I'll add the tea and the water, and then like maybe I'll froth the foam, the milk. It's gonna, yeah, let's just do that. And now we have our gingerbread tea latte. That looks so good. I added vanilla to the milk, and then I also added honey. So I'm just like being a little extra today because it's Vlogmas, so why not? But now I really need to edit my vlog. I'm not gonna show that because I feel like it's, every time I try to film myself editing, the footage looks really weird. So, cause like I speed it up so that my breathing's like it's just, it looks weird. I don't know. I don't know how people do it. It just looks weird for me. So anyway, I'm gonna go do that. You guys, I'm so excited because James's Christmas present just got delivered. I'm so pumped. I'm so excited. He has no idea. So normally I never know what to get him because he just buys whatever he wants anyway, which is totally fine. Like I buy things I want all year. He does the same, but it makes it hard during the Christmas season to, one, know what to get him, but two, to like be able to get it without him getting it first, you know? But this year, I finally have it. I'm so excited, and like I want to give it to him now, but I can't, but I want to. And I can't show you guys because I'm like, what if he watches this? I'm so excited, and that's really all I can say about it. But you guys will see what I get him in the Vlogmas for Christmas, obviously. But so like I got him one big thing, and then I'm gonna get him like a couple like funny gifts. So it should be fun. I'm really excited about that. Every year I'm just like, let's just not do presents. Let's not give each other anything because I never know what to get him. But this year, I actually know what to get him, and it's something that he wants, but like he doesn't remember that he wants it, I think. I mean, he would if like we went to a store and he saw it, he'd be like, oh man, like, but I'm so excited. And all right, I'm almost done editing Vlogmas Day number 1. I'm just rewatching it real quick, and then I'm gonna render it out and upload it, and I'm gonna move on because I feel like I've gotten nothing accomplished today because I've just been editing, which is gonna be most of my life in December. After what seems like many hours, Vlogmas Day number 1 is up. It actually goes live in about 25 minutes, so it's not live yet, but it will be live, and it'll definitely be live by the time you're seeing this video. So today I think what I really want to do is instead of working on like tasks, like things that I wanted to get done, I want to get my life back in order, which means cleaning, which means organizing this office and prepping to prep for 2021. So what I mean by that is I find it hard to focus on like shop tasks and things that I want to do when my office looks like, well, when it looks like this. It is quite the disaster. This is all just from yesterday, packaging orders and whatnot, but it's just a disaster. And I want to like get it cleaned up and tidied up. But also I have like, I'll show you guys. I have like all of these stickers that are like oops / grab bag stuff. I've got some stuff in here. I have all this stock that I want to go through and figure out how to organize it, how I want it to be organized, because I don't like this system. So I just finished putting all of the script stickers. Wait, I just realized that I missed a couple. Just kidding, just kidding. I only missed 3 sheets, so I will just go do that in a second. But I just put them, like, changed all the inventory on all of these. And I think I'm gonna keep my doodle stickers as they are, because I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna discontinue the scripts. Like, that's something that I want to redo. So I think that I will just put those in like the last chance section and list them for like $1.50 or something. I don't know, because I do want to have like different, I want to change it up. I want to change it up for 2021. So I think that that's my first plan of attack, and then keep all of my doodles, because the doodles are gonna stay, I think. So the doodles are gonna stay for now, but the scripts are gonna go away. I don't know. There's just so much to do with this. I literally have no idea. I really need to brainstorm and write it down, which I didn't do, because I was like, I want to get all of this organized, and I want to like sell all these stickers so that way I can like build the stock from the ground up, you know? But I also need to like sit down and figure out what I'm doing. Like, am I getting rid of kits? Am I reformatting everything? And I just need to write it down. But I'm like, I just want to do stuff, but at the same time I'm like, but I also don't know what I'm doing. It's madness, I tell you. Thankfully, I have a month, the whole month of December, to get my life straightened out. Figured it out. Anyway, James is on his way home. I'm so excited because I'm ready for dinner. My hair still doesn't know what it's doing. We have to go film the video for children's church tonight. So now it is time to open the advent calendar. Ooh, wow. Also, I had an outfit change because I needed to wear long pants and like leggings, so I needed like a bigger, baggier shirt. So yeah, that's why I changed my outfit. But now it is time for the advent calendar. So it's time for the dinosaur advent calendar and Dixie's advent calendar. So let's go. Okay guys, so here's the little advent calendar for Dixie. She heard me. Did you hear me? Do you have your toy? And then here's the one that we are gonna do. So does this one, does it matter when you start? Doesn't say. So I guess we'll just start with one, right? Should we do it that way?
That's how most of them are if they don't say, right?
I think so. Alright, Dixie.
Well, I've always done them.
You're doing one. Oh, look how cute. Dixie, do you want your little advent calendar thing? There you go. Are you gonna eat it? Okay, bye. Okay, now it's time for the dinosaur one. Okay, find day one. That's so cute. So we're gonna have like a little collection of them. They can just sit on our dining room table. All right, so that was the advent calendar. We are gonna call it a night.
It's a night.
I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.